Alright, so now it shoots out this luggage thing.
Yeah.
Put on the check. And my boarding pass shoots out. So now we got both. Hey, good morning. Today is Monday, October 2nd, and I'm leaving Dyer, Indiana to go to Midway Airport for EXPCon in Las Vegas. So it is right now, it's like 2:15 a.m. and I'm just going to do a video on the process of getting to and through Midway Airport. All right, once again, it's about 2:15 a.m. and we're gonna hop in the car and start driving. All right, so you can see from the map that's a 47-minute ride. It looks like it's suggesting a 44-minute route, but I don't think that's actually gonna be faster. So we can go 47-minute route, which is basically up Route 50, going through Vaughan, Elsip area. Yeah, so right now we're on 8094, headed to 294, going about 65. It's actually funny with traffic here because when there's a little more traffic, you actually go faster because you blend in traffic. But like right now, you don't want to be the only car going 85 miles an hour. But also during rush hour, this road becomes a lot slower. So when you're picking your flight, you really want to do something that's going to be a little off peak. Otherwise, you have to leave a lot earlier. Like right now, from Dyer to Midway, it's going to be a sub 50-minute ride. But if I was doing this during rush hour, we'd be looking at an hour and a half or so, and then you're going to have even increased lines when you get to the airport itself. So, I'm leaving at 2:15 for a flight that boards at 5:05, which gives you a little right around 3 hours is the rule of thumb. Yeah, we're on Route 50, which is Cicero Avenue, headed north.
In 1,000 feet,
oh.
use the right two lanes to exit right T terminal garage.
Yeah, so I'm going to look for the parking lot. So we'll see the signage here.
Exit right T terminal garage.
So there's garage options, or if you can hear the GPS telling me, or there's also economy parking for $15 a day with a shuttle. All right, I'm at Cicero, turning left on West 55th Street, and we're going to start seeing the parking lots here. All right, so we're going to turn into the parking lot. To the left, you can see the airfield. There we go. We got Midway Airport economy parking. We're going to drive in and take a ticket. It's telling me to the right is closed, so I gotta go left. Okay, so we left at 2:27, now it's 3:11, and so that was just about 45 minutes, and again we're driving kind of slow, but there was no traffic. We're in the parking garage. So I'm in the parking garage now, and a little pan around in the parking garage, and then I'm going to walk down, and there's a shuttle system that picks you up and takes you to the terminal. It's always good to take a photo of where you parked at, so you remember later. We walk out of the garage and then we just head out the sidewalk and we see that there's a shuttles waiting. So we're just going to go hop on a shuttle. It's going to take us to the airport. Yeah, we just got off the shuttle. We're at the arrivals part at the airport. And I saw that it was, if you wanted to park in the garage here, it's $40 a day to park right at. It was like a 10-minute ride to get here. So it's $15 a day at the off-site spot. So it's from leaving my house to right now, it's been about an hour and 15 minutes. I left at, I think it was 2:15, and now it's just about 3:30. So an hour and 15 to get from Dyer, Indiana to the front door. So now we go head upstairs to check in and drop off the big carry-on, or the whatever they call that one, a stowaway thing. So this lower area here is where your baggage claim is, and so that's where you end up coming in the lower level and going out on, but you have to go up a level or two to do your actual check-in. So we're gonna head over there towards those escalators. And the check-in, they have these kiosk systems. So you just come over here. All right, so now it shoots out this luggage thing.
Yeah.
Put on the check. And my boarding pass shoots out. So now we got both. All right, that went pretty easy. This is the check-in area. You just give them your boarding pass, and then they check your bag. Apparently, you have to have your laptops in your carry-on because I had to take mine out there, so that was good to know at that time. So now we're gonna go to where we go to the gate. So the gate area is gonna go down there, and we're gonna go through security check. So that's, you never know how long that's gonna take. All right, it's 3:43, and now we're in line for the to go through security. See how long that takes. All right, just made it through security, and it's 4:10 right now. So there's a big line. It got larger, and then you have to go through the security process. So you can see that you go through a body scanner, and then you put all your gear in a tray, and then they look through it all with the scanner. I had like 2 laptops, an iPad, a bunch of video gear. I put it all in one, and they that kind of broke the system because then they said that so they had to stop it and put everything in a separate bin to scan it separately. So lesson learned for next time, I guess. I didn't realize that happened last time. So, all right, so now we are free and clear, walking to our gate. Cool, so now we're at the landing zone. Once you get out of security, you end up in this area. And then like my ticket says on gate B5, so now you look for your gates. See over there, gates B1 through B26. So now we just head over and look for where our flight's gonna take off. These walking pedways are always cool. See, then they just save you a little time on walking. All right, so here's my gate, B5. Leaving from Las Vegas, and now we just wait. So let's see, I left my house at, was it 2:15 a.m. It's currently 4:14, so it's about 2 hours even, door to door, or door to gate. All right, since I'm here pretty early, I'm just gonna do a walk through this section. There's like 3 different sections, I forget what they're called, concourses or something. So I'll walk through, and we'll play this on fast forward, and you can see what the airport looks like. Alright, so flight's now boarding. It's like 5:05, right on time. Looks like right around 4:35 is when the shops wake up around here. So Southwest is pretty much only what I fly with our credit card points. But so we've got 3 different boarding groups. So boarding group A goes first, and then B, and then C. So I'm boarding group B. And alright, we'll hop on the plane now.